let me talk a bit more about the cloud. Today, our cloud transformation solutions are the fastest and easiest way to build the talent you need to drive cloud strategies. Based on your current cloud maturity level, this solution helps you turn cloud theory into cloud action, providing data on where to focus your efforts, certification prep to increase confidence and reduce risk for the business, and ultimately those hands-on labs and custom cloud sandboxes that build expertise and real-world experience as your teams dig in. We're excited to announce that our cloud transformation solution now offer all new cloud services. With this new suite of cloud services, our experts meet you wherever you are in your cloud journey, whether you're focused on building cloud literate, cloud ready, or cloud native teams.